Looking for a free AI art generator to unleash your creativity? Check out Leonardo AI. In this video, I'll show you how to get started and explore its features. Wow! First things first, you need to sign up for early access to Leonardo AI. Simply click on the Get Early Access button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and hit Count Me In. Join the Leonardo AI Discord server. If you don't have a Discord account, you can create one or log in with your existing account. Go back to Leonardo AI homepage and click Sign Up. Enter your email and password. Once you receive the confirmation email, enter the code and click Submit. Once you are here, just simply put your username and click I confirm that I am 18 and I want to show NSFW content by default, then click Start using Leonardo. Unlike Midjourney, you need to subscribe to their plan for almost $96 to generate 20 photos per day. But when you are on a budget, Leonardo AI is the best for you. As you can see, you have one token, which means you can generate 150 images per day. You can enter your prompt, which is a text that describes the image you want to generate. To shorten this video, I will just copy this prompt and click AI Image Generator. Type the prompt you want, but for me, I will just paste the prompt that I copied. Leonardo AI also has a negative prompt, which means you can exclude certain elements from the image. In this case, I will remove natural skin texture and messy hair. Once you are happy with your prompt, just hit generate and let Leonardo AI do its magic. The app will create a stunning image based on your prompt and the model you've selected. But that's not all. Leonardo AI offers a range of additional features that can help you refine your image, such as image dimensions, guidance scale, step count, tiling, and image-to-image conversion. You can explore these features to customize your image and get the exact look you want. You can also remove the background of your image if you want. So, there you have it. A quick start guide using Leonardo AI for your AI art generation needs. Whether you are a game developer, an artist, or just someone who loves to create beautiful images, Leonardo AI has something for you. Thanks for watching and happy generating!